Wait, did that guy just sneeze fire on a public train? I thought allergies were bad, but this is next level. But first, like and subscribe if you'd switch seats immediately. A random stranger sneezes and suddenly, whoosh, a burst of flames. Passengers freeze like they just saw a live-action superhero trailer. Half the people are shocked, the other half are Googling, can humans breathe fire now? Everyone's trying to figure it out. Was that a magic trick, or did this guy accidentally unlock a real superpower? Either way, that sneeze definitely needed more than a tissue. Like and subscribe for more unbelievable moments and comment. Magic prank or real power?